Question is given, if sin A plus sin B equals to 2, what is the value of cos A plus cos B? First of all, we have to know that the value of sin theta or sin A minus 1 plus 1 mean is the smallest value of sin is minus 1 and greatest value of sin is plus 1. That's why the question is here sin A plus of sin B equals to 2. We can write sin A plus sin B equals to 1 plus 1. Therefore, sin A equals to 1 and sin B equals to 1. The question is here, why we have to write sin A equals to 1? If here is given and we know that the greatest value of sin is 1. If therefore sin A plus sin B equals to 2, the question is given, if we write sin A equals to 0.9, then we have to write sin B equals to 1.1. This is impossible. That's why. And if we write sin B equals to 0.6 and next we have to write sin A equals to 1.4, this is impossible. That's why we have to write sin A equals to 1 and sin B equals to 1. We know that the value of sin A equals to 1 equals to sin, we can write sin 90 degree, A equals to 90 degree, and sin B we can write here 1 sin 90 degree. Sin cancel out both sides, B equals to 90 degree. Put this value in this equation. The question is given, what is the value of cos A plus cos B? Cos A plus of cos B. Value of A is 90 degree, cos A cos 90 degree, and cos B is 90 degree. The value of cos 90 is 0 and cos 90 is 0. Therefore 0. This is the final answer. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe this channel. Press the bell icon for next notification. Thanks.